exploring the rich flavors of traditional Pakistani cuisine. Welcome to FooDooloo, where we embark on culinary journeys to explore the diverse and delectable world of food. Please leave a comment for any topics you'd want to see in future videos below. Today, we're delving into the heart of Pakistan, a country renowned for its rich cultural heritage, and of course its mouth-watering traditional meals. From the bustling streets of Lahore to the serene valleys of Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan cuisine offers a tantalizing array of flavors, spices, and textures that will leave you craving for more. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind some of Pakistan's most beloved dishes and uncover the stories that make them truly special. The diversity of Pakistani cuisine. Pakistani cuisine is a reflection of the country's diverse cultural influences, spanning centuries of history and heritage. From the aromatic spices of the Mughal era to the hearty flavors of Punjabi cuisine, each region of Pakistan boasts its own culinary identity. Whether you're savoring the fiery curries of Sindh or indulging in the fragrant biryanis of Karachi, there's something for every palate to enjoy. Signature dishes. No exploration of Pakistani cuisine would be complete without mentioning some of its signature dishes. One such dish is biryani, a fragrant rice dish layered with tender meat, aromatic spices, and caramelized onions. Originating from the Mughal kitchens, biryani has evolved over the centuries to become a staple of Pakistani cuisine, enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. Another iconic dish is nihari, a rich and hearty stew made with slow-cooked meat, spices, and bone marrow. Traditionally served for breakfast, nihari is the perfect comfort food for chilly winter mornings, warming both the body and the soul with its flavorful broth and tender meat. For those with a sweet tooth, no visit to Pakistan would be complete without trying gulab jamun, a decadent dessert made from deep-fried dough balls soaked in sugar syrup. With its melt-in-your-mouth texture and irresistible sweetness, gulab jamun is a true indulgence that will satisfy even the most discerning of dessert lovers. Regional variations. While certain dishes like biryani and nihari are enjoyed across the country, each region of Pakistan has its own unique culinary traditions and specialties. In the Punjab province, for example, you'll find dishes like saag, a hearty spinach curry, served with makki di roti, a traditional cornbread. In Sindh, seafood reigns supreme, with dishes like karahi and fish curry, showcasing the region's coastal flavors. In the northern regions of Pakistan, such as Gilgit-Baltistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, you'll encounter dishes like chapli kebab, a spiced meat patty that's grilled to perfection, and mantu, steamed dumplings filled with seasoned meat and onions. These dishes reflect the rugged terrain and harsh climate of the mountains, with hearty ingredients and bold flavors that provide sustenance to the locals. In conclusion, Pakistani cuisine is a true testament to the country's rich cultural tapestry and culinary heritage. From the vibrant street food stalls of Karachi to the elegant dining rooms of Lahore, every bite tells a story of tradition, innovation, and passion. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, exploring the flavors of traditional Pakistani meals is an experience that will leave you craving for more. So next time you're in the mood for adventure, why not leave a comment for any topics you'd want to see in future videos? With FooDooloo as your guide, the possibilities are endless. See you next time!